So a quick piece today to remind you to check your blast hose every day before every job. Why? Any damage in the blast hose will reduce your productivity and can potentially be dangerous. So what are you looking for? Now you're looking for any cracks, holes, splits or softer sections in the hose. Check the entire length of the hose visually and physically by feeling it with your hands and squeezing it at regular intervals. Worn sections will feel softer, the hose will bend and crease more easily. Now if your nozzle pressure reading changes, you might have a worn section of hose. You can replace a single damaged section by cutting it out, but several damaged or worn sections will mean you need to replace the entire hose. If it's just the end, you can shorten it, but really the hose should be replaced. Don't be tempted to bodge it with repair tape. You've done that. Escaping air and abrasive together can be highly dangerous and you don't want to take the risk. Stay safe. Good practice for hose maintenance includes these things: keeping the hose away from chemicals, sharp edges and any vehicle movement, making gradual bends rather than sharp turns, it might increase the wear, using safety cable if the hose runs over structures so you can support the weight, closing the meter valve after blasting and blowing air through the hose to get rid of remaining abrasive. Now remember, all blast hoses will wear eventually. Keep safe and check your hose daily.